Hi there, how you doing? Are you a new YouTuber? Have you recently heard about YouTube brand channel? Are you wondering what a brand channel is? Whether you should switch to a YouTube brand channel or not? What are its advantages? What are its disadvantages? What data will retain after switching your account? What data will be lost? Worry not, in this video we will cover it all. Don't forget to watch this video till the very end because at the end we are gonna demonstrate what happened to our channel's analytics and how to bring them back on an iPhone. But before jumping in the video, I will request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for future notifications as it will keep us motivated and will keep on producing helpful videos for you. Let's go ahead. A brand channel is a channel that is specifically for your brand. This account is different from your personal Google account. The main advantage of having a brand channel is that if a channel is linked to a brand account, multiple people can manage it from their Google accounts. You don't need a separate username or password to manage YouTube channel with a brand channel. And it also gives credibility to your brand. So to sum it up, the main advantage is that you can add manager to your brand channel without sharing your own username and password. So now we will learn how to create a brand channel. For that you will have to click on this icon and go to settings. In settings you have to go to add or manage your channel and you will have to create a new channel. Brand account name, this is called Saral Gyan. I'm creating the channel with the same name and this is the hack which I was talking about. You can't directly move your existing channel to a brand channel. You will first have to create an empty channel with a desired name and then move your existing channel to that channel. So I'll click create here. So now I have created the brand channel. Now I will switch back to my existing channel, that is Saral Gyan, and then I will again go to settings. I will go to advanced settings and in advanced setting I will move your channel to a brand account. Here I will again have to give the username and password for authentication. And now I will have to click here and now it will delete my existing channel since there is nothing in it and we have just created it. We will go ahead by clicking on delete channel and now it will move my existing channel to brand channel. So we will say move channel. Your channel name and icon will be updated across YouTube. Your channel, this will not change. The channel URL will not change. And there are two things which would happen on moving my channel from an existing channel to a brand account. First is this, I have created a permalink for my existing channel and doing this will delete that custom link and all the comments will be deleted. It is very essential to move your channel to a brand channel at the very beginning, or if you can afford to lose the comments then you can go ahead. So I will click on move channel. So now my channel has been moved and it will take 10 minutes for the update to happen. And let's go to your channel. So now my channel has been switched to a brand channel. So I didn't wait and I have re-uploaded the icon for my channel. And now we'll see if we can give a permanent link or a custom link to our channel. So that for that we'll go to settings and here in view advanced settings and custom URL. This channel is not currently eligible for a custom URL. It means that for giving a custom URL to a channel, we'll again have to wait for 30 days, which is one of the conditions to give a custom URL to your channel. And I will also click on here to make it my default channel whenever I log into my account. Now we will check whether switching our account to the brand account has any effect on analytics. So I'll go to YouTube Studio and you can see that the analytics are still there. So go to channel analytics. So it appears that moving my channel to brand account didn't affect the channel analytics. Let me check the same on my mobile. So here I am using an iPhone, so let's check out my analytics on YouTube Studio. If I'll go to YouTube Studio, it is not showing anything. and let me switch back. And here also I don't have much options to switch from one account to another. It could be a reason that this app is not optimized for an iPhone. Let's uninstall it. So here is YouTube Studio. We'll delete it. And now we'll go to App Store. And we will again install it. Get started, sign in. And now it is giving me an option to sign in with my existing new account. So now my analytics are back. It's good. So in short, the main advantage of creating a brand channel is that you can add managers and creators to your brand account. Though at the time of migration, the message said the comments will be deleted, but if we'll have a look at it, most of our comments are still there. So there is a possibility that while migrating, some of the comments get deleted, but in my case, most of them stayed as they were. And now we will try adding a manager to our account. We'll go to settings and here add or remove managers, and here manage permissions, and I will add one account and I will be adding my own account. And here you can make him one manager, owner, or the communication manager. I'll make him the manager and send him the invite, and done. Now if I will check my email, here I have been invited to manage Saral Gyan, so I'll accept the invitation and I accept it here. If I open a new private window and I go to youtube.com and I sign in with my account, so here I get an option to use YouTube as Saral Gyan. So if I will do it as Saral Gyan, it gives me an option to manage it. I can add videos and see the channel stats and everything. So this is how it works. So in the end, I will wrap up this video by saying that if you want to migrate your existing account to a brand account, then you should go ahead. But the only thing you should be careful about is that if you have already created a permanent or a custom URL for YouTube channel, that will stop working and you will have to wait for at least 30 days to once again create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. And also in some cases you will lose some of your comments. This is it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you have liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification for being notified about the future videos. Thanks for now. Bye bye.